Hola chicos, I'm gonna walk to Olimpio Park or Parque Linda Vista. Do some exercise, some calisthenics. Is it that way? Yeah, I think it's this way. One of those. Since traveling a lot during the anyhow, since traveling a lot, been kind of a pain. Gotta find a gym, new gym, do a day pass, week pass. Gotta walk there. So I'm switching routine from weights to calisthenics, which you can do pretty much anywhere. Just need a floor, gravity, maybe some pull-up bars, which are pretty easy to find here in most parks, or you can improvise. So that's kind of the new routine I'm gonna be doing, and found a good routine on Reddit. I'll share it. Buenos dias. And it's basic stuff: push-ups, dips, squats, lunges, pull-ups. I would add in rows. Would add in some rows for a little more back development. I can manage, adjust as needed. Got a lot of street dogs here. They're mostly friendly. Though, oh man, this guy got the prize. You got the prize there, big guy. Actually, it looks like doesn't look good. I got some cool murals here, actually. Let's take a look. Love a good mural. This one is by Fred Deye. That's pretty cool, pretty abstract. This one is called Super. That's really cool. I don't see a design. Groovy Gnome. Groovy Gnome. $2021. And this guy is also not sure by whom. Turts. Oh, this car's blocking the way, but that's okay. A little peeling. Might be a little older. Anyways. Let's go back. This is Hercules Street. If we go up 2 blocks, we have Linda Vista Park on the right. If we go up 3 blocks and 1 over, we have Olimpio Park. I'm gonna try and go to Olimpio Park. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, I got some. Blockade here. Hola, buenos. Cool lines. Not bad. Good parks, yeah. fritos. Bubble gum design. Very cool. This is by Lindsay Design. Art by Yasmin. So this one is let's check out this park. See if it's sufficient. This is Linda Vista neighborhood. Not San Rafael, not San Felipe. Okay, I got your basketball court, pretty standard. Do some pull-ups, chins. So the fat bar is good. It's a bit more training on the grip. Oh, I got some more murals. It's a submarine. Wow. Yellow submarine. Olimpio. USSA bastard. Okay. Oh, I got some workout circuits here. Kind of an elliptical, dips. Not sure what those are. Some chest movements. So. Not bad. Parque Linda Vista, not bad. And then we got the soccer field, turf field. Usually locked. Depending on the park, could be good. Could be in shambles. This one, it's fair. Give it a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. But you got steps. Let's check out Olimpio. Yeah, you got some modern stuff here. This one is looking pretty modern. A little old, weathered. What else did I want to show? I had something else in mind. Oh, these things called desire paths. So people cut through where they really want to go, and I don't know, it's really interesting. Maneje con precaution. Drive with caution. And I'll just do that. Cross. Another awesome mural. This one's by Indid. Let's go up 2 more blocks. gone too far. Let's go back to Ulysses. Here's Parque Olimpio. It's locked up again. Bummer. It's a random tire. Okay. Alright. Oh, this one's pretty good too. Got a bike. Elliptical. Some pushing, some pressing. Playground. All pretty overgrown. I think the other park is a little more equipped. So I'm gonna head back. Not that way. This way. Yeah. We're back here. Excellent. Let's take a nice downhill. Sounds like a school. Alright. Try and go to that park without running into that dog. Happens every now and then, super annoying, but normal, somewhat normal here. And the dog will be just chilling in front of his house, store, whatever, and oh, that's what this is.
Usually